Hey guys, it's Matt Hoots here with Sawhorse, and I'm at Triangle Fastener, and I was buying these plates and also these fasteners to go into concrete. And Ed here was telling me, he's like, hey, how often do you do this? I've actually got a faster way. And like, that's one of the #1 questions that I get in the videos when I'm attaching rock wool or any type of insulation to the outside of a structure. What's the best and fastest way? And after we've gone through this quite a bit, usually with this, we have to do the drilling. We have to like put this in the plate and whatnot. So Ed's got a gun here and also a fastener that basically shoots right into it. And the nice thing about it also, he's promising there's a thermal break, which is gonna make all the passive house nerds really happy with this.
This is a Ramset T4IF tool. These are the washers. We make one for concrete and one for steel and wool. The thermal break comes from the air pocket when you pop over this washer and pop it into the hole here. It gives you an up to 97% efficiency as it relates to the material that you're shooting into. And it's real simple to do. You get your washer. This one is for steel and wood. You simply push it down and fire. And that's it.
You guys asked, so we created a page on our website with links to all the different products that we review on our YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoy it. There's a link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
And then I would normally pull this over and pop that onto there. That is patented by Ramset. And again, very fast, very efficient thermally as well. I've tried to pull this out a number of times, but I probably will not be able to do it. And there it is. It also, from a water membrane standpoint, if it's behind the insulation, as this punches through the plastic, it seals around the pin seals around the washer. It goes through the water vapor barrier. Other systems use a screw, which will twist that water vapor barrier as well, which may invite infiltration of water or air.
So let's talk about how these two fasteners are going to work on a project they're working on right now. As you can see, we've already got the rock wool in place. We basically used this type of fastener to hold all this up. And what we had to do is we had to pre-drill everything with a hammer drill and come back with an impact drill to basically hold all this in place, or an impact driver. And basically you drill, then you drive. Sometimes you miss the hole, sometimes you don't. Where with this one, with the Ramset, and also all this is metal right here. So basically this is the thermal bridge, and you can see how many we have across here, and it's gonna be the same for the framing when we go up. Actually, we might have a little bit more of these, but each of these is gonna be a thermal bridge. So with this, it's all plastic. The fastener is in the inside of here. And all you have to do is, you saw the demonstration at the store, you basically just push this in, use the gun, shoot that in, pop, it's done. And as soon as that goes through, there's some plastic on the inside. So when the nail goes through that, it basically melts the plastic. It holds a lot better, and you don't have to worry about this pulling out. We looked at the example in the store at Triangle Fastener. It worked really well. It was really hard to pull out, and that was going into wood. Imagine if you're going into concrete or the metal studs, it's gonna be the same deal. So with these, you have some that go into concrete, you have some that go into wood. So we might experiment to see how this works on the wood furring strips that we're gonna put above the foundation. Obviously, we already have the foundation in place. Only found out about this yesterday, so a little bit too late. I'm gonna leave all these fasteners in place. We've got a couple more boards to put in today, but for the next project, definitely wanna consider using this. Goes in a lot faster. You don't have to do any assembly with the washers, the gaskets holding in place. Goes in fast, and it's gonna hold a long time as well. And the thing I really like about this, and again, I'm pulling this out because we haven't put it in place yet. So if you want to take a look on the inside of this, so as soon as we shoot this through, you have this cap. And what you do is in order to have any thermal bridging, so you have no exposed metal to the outside going to the inside, because all this is plastic, you basically pop this off. And what this does is, you've got this air cavity on the inside. This goes over the air cavity, and they said that this stops the thermal bridging. You don't have any outside weather, or very minimal outside weather, getting to this metal fastener on the inside, where this is exposed to the elements. And this, you know, unfortunately, we do need these to hold up the insulation, but this is all metal. There is going to be a thermal bridge, where with this one, goes in a lot faster, reduce the thermal bridging. So definitely something we can consider for our next project when we're trying to use rock wool on a foundation wall, and also see how it works on the framing. If you guys have used this product already, I'd love to see how your experience is with this. In the meantime, we do recommend this system right here. This is probably the most affordable way that I've found to install these. We get these at Triangle Fastener. You can also get these at Triangle Fastener as well. And I said, if you buy a certain number of these, you also get the free gun that comes, well, I say free. If you buy, you know, a case quantity of these, you get a gun that comes along with it, and that way you don't have to worry about buying the gun. Same thing with Hilti. I remember if you bought so many cans of spray foam, you got the Hilti spray gun that came along with it. Same thing with the Ramset. Looks like the Insel fastener. They do have a patent on this, so it sounds like this is the only place that you can get this. Let me know what you guys think about this. See you guys next time.
You can reach us at trianglefastener.com. Again, this is a Ramset product. You can also call your Ramset rep.